Find or read reviews that people are talking about hepanio Ne20 Earbuds, AI translation earbuds real time. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Ne20 translation earbuds. Supports 156 languages with a translation accuracy of over 99%, ensuring seamless communication with people worldwide. Whether you're translating commonly used languages or more niche ones, it delivers fast and precise translation results. It also allows 2 users to each wear one earbud for real-time translation, making it ideal for business or travel conversations. With an intuitive LCD color display. These language translator earbuds let you control over 15 functions directly from the earbuds, including music playback, volume adjustment, EQ modes, language selection, alarms, stopwatch, and even remote camera control. No need for your phone, everything is accessible directly through your AI translator earbuds. Ne20 in-ear headphones designed for comfort with a lightweight ergonomic fit. These sport wireless headphones offer up to 48 hours of use. A single earphone can be used continuously for 6 to 8 hours on a full charge. 3-in-1 functionality. Combining translation earbuds. Music playback, phone calls in one device. These AI translation earbuds real-time are equipped with directional sound pickup and intelligent noise cancellation, ensuring crystal clear communication even in noisy environments. Advanced 48 dB active noise cancellation blocks up to 97.69% of background noise, perfect for noisy commutes, offices, or focused study sessions in bustling environments. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.